Hi friends, my name is Ruth Grace. Welcome to my channel CH Grace. Today we are going to do 6th class Maths Chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers Exercise 1.1. So the first bit is which is the greatest and the smallest among the group of numbers. The first one is 1540 15,432, 15,892, 15,370, 15,524. So first, in these two digits, these two digits are 15, 15, 15, and 15. So in the third digit is 4, 8,
Dash.
3, 4, 8, 3 and 5. 4, 8, 3 and 5. In this, which is the greatest? 8 is the greatest. So 15,892 is the greatest number. Greatest number is 15,000.
Number.
Oh, the greatest number is 50.
Greatest number.
The greatest number is 15,892. 92. Next, in this, which is the smallest? 3 is the smallest. So 15,370 is the smallest number. Smallest number 15,370. Now the next one is 25,073, 25,289, 25,800, 25,623. In this, all 23, 25 are there. So we have to see the next digit, which is 0, 2,
Dash.
0, 2, 8 and 6. 0, 2, 8 and 6. Now in this, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So the greatest number is
EA.
greatest number is 25,800. Now in this, which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. So 25,073 is the smallest number. Smallest number 25,073. Now the third one is 44,687, 44,645, 44,670, 44,602. So in this, the first three digits are the same. So we have to compare the fourth digit, which is 8, 4, 7 and 6.
0.
And 0. 8, 4, 7 and 0. In this, which is the greatest number? 8 is the greatest number. So the greatest number is So the greatest number is 44,687. The greatest number is 44,687. Now in this, which is the smallest digit? 0 is the smallest digit. So 44,602 is the smallest number. Smallest number is 44,602
is equal to.
Now the fourth one is 75,671. 75,635, 75,641, 75,610. In this the first two digits are the first three digits are the same. So we have to compare the fourth digit, which is 7, 3, 4 and 1. 7, 3, 4 and 1. In this, which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. So we have right here 7. So 75,671 is the greatest number. The greatest number is 75,671. Now in this, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So 75,610 is the smallest number. Smallest number is equal to 75,610. Now the next one is the 34,895, 34,891, 34,899, 34,893. In this, all the four digits are the same. So we have to compare the fifth digit, which is 5, 1, 9 and 3. 5, 1, 9 and 3. In this, which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. So 34,899 is the greatest number. Greatest number is equal to 34,899. Now in this, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number. So 34,891 is the smallest number. Smallest number is equal to 34,891. Now the second question is write the numbers in ascending order, which is also known as increasing order. I have already uploaded a video on ascending order. If you want to see that, the link is below in the description box. So the first problem is 375, 1475, 15,951, 4,713. In this is for 3-digit number. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. So the first bit is, in this first problem, here 3-digit number is there, here 4-digit number is there, here 5-digit number is there, and here again 4-digit number is there. So in this 3-digit number is the smallest. 3-digit number is small. So we have to write ascending order is equal to, and write the 375. Then here both 4-digit numbers are there. So we have to see the first digit, which is 1 and 4. So 1 is the smallest. So we have to write here 1475. 1475. Now here 5-digit number is there and here 4-digit number is there. In this 4-digit number is the smallest. So we have to write here 4713. Then after that remaining is 15,951. So we have to write here 15,951. Now the next problem is 9,347, 19,035, 22,517, 12,300. In this, here 4-digit number is there, and here 5-digit, here 5-digit, and here also 5-digit number is there. So 4-digit number is the smallest. So first we have to write 9,347. Ascending order is equal to 9,347. Then here all 5-digit numbers are there. So we have to compare the first digit, which is 1, 2 and 1. So here both 1 is there. So we have to then we have to go to the second digit, which is 9 and 2. In this 2 is the smallest. So we have to write here 12,300.
Remove comma.
12,300. Then here 1 is there and here 2 is there. In this 1 is the smallest. So we have to write here
Neat.
19,035. Now the remaining is 22,570. So we have to write here 22,570. Now the third question is write the numbers in decreasing order, which is also known as descending order, which is also known as decreasing order. I have already uploaded a video on descending order. If you want to see that, the link is below in the description box. Descending order means writing the numbers from big to small. It is also known as decreasing order. Now the first one is 1,876, 89,715, 45,321, 89,254. So first we have to see the number of digits. Here 4-digit number is there, here 5-digit number is there, here 5-digit number is there, and here also 5-digit number is there. So we have to compare these numbers. In this, here in the first digit, Here 8, 4 and 8 is there. So 8 is the greatest. So we have to compare these both numbers. Here 8 is there and here also 8 is there. So we have to go to the next digit, which is 9, and here also 9 is there. So we have to go to the next digit, which is 7 and 2. So in this 7 is the greatest. So 89,715 is the greatest number. 89.
Descending order.
Descending order is equal to 89,750. Now here 5-digit number is there, here also 5-digit number is there. In this, the first digit is 4 and 8. In this, 8 is the greatest. So we have right here 89,254. Then here 4-digit number is there and here 5-digit number is there. 5-digit number is the greatest. So we have right here 45,321. Now the remaining is
3. Proper.
Now the remaining number is 1,876. So we have right here 1,876. Now the next problem is 3,000, 8,700, 3,900, 18,500. In this, first we have to see the number of digits. Here 4-digit number is there, here also 4-digit, here also 4-digit, and here 5-digit number is there. So in this, 5-digit number is the greatest. So we have right here 18,500. Descending order is equal to 18,500. Then here all 4-digit numbers are there. So we have to see the first digit, which is 3, 8 and 3. In this, 8 is the greatest. So here we have right 8,700. 8,700. Then here 4-digit number is there and here also 4-digit number is there. Here the first digit is 3 and 3. So we have to go for another digit, which is 0 and 9. In this, 9 is the greatest. So we have right here 3,900. Then the remaining is 3,000. So here we have right 3,000. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.